Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will review these Nissan Skyline GTR 34 by Hotworks Racing Factory models on 1/24 scale. And let's take a look. So on the previous episode we reviewed the Bayside blue color. Now we have the white one, and in Z-Tune setup, as I mentioned on the previous video, that you can turn this into a Z-Tune or a regular R34. In this case, this white one is set up in Z-Tune spec. So as you can see, has a Nismo wheels and some Nismo package, B spec 2, Z2, and yeah, nice. So it's basically the same as the blue one, but this one, I didn't change the engine. Still the same one, like the original one, but the seats inside is different. It's a bucket seat with a harness, 5-point harness, and I don't know if it's a carbon fiber. Oh, that's just a regular one. Basically the same, only opening hood, and also you can change the height and the camber of this car. Now I put it in the lowest specification of the car, and let's take a look. This one comes with a sticker. I think the blue one also have a sticker, but I think I used it on something else. Why I didn't show you guys, but these are the Nismo livery. So has Nismo racing stripes, some parts stickers there, and if you want to like S1, R1, S-Tune, R-Tune, yeah, some nice carbon thing there. I don't know where you put it. I think this goes in the hood. Yeah. So the only thing about these stickers is that it's not a water slide. It's just a sticker. So when you put it on the car, it's a little bit like embossed or something like that. So it doesn't feel like a water slide sticker. So this is the regular hood. Yeah. This is the S1 engine cover, like an engine, I don't know what that called, header or something. These are the regular side skirt. And also it has a spare disc brakes. So not much part on this one. I don't know why, but it should be the same as the blue one. I think I might have used the other parts of this car to other 34 that I have, so that's why it's missing. But basically the same parts, same extra parts of the blue one. So it's just, yeah. So this is how it looks. I like the style of the Z-trim R34, but I also want a regular R34. So yeah, so there's still two more, but it's a Nissan Z and RX-7. So you guys stay tuned for that. I'll be uploading it after these, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but it's basically the same as the blue one, so nothing much to show, it's just different color. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, please do subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.